Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making beautiful beads using Tyvek and Cosmic Shimmer metallic gilding polish. Now, just a heads up, if you're having a hard time finding craft supplies right now, you can head over to joggles.com. They have an amazing selection, and it's where I got the Cosmic Shimmer metallic gilding polish. They'll ship to you right away, and there's a 50% off shipping on orders over $50. So joggles.com, I'll leave a link in the description. Now, are you ready? Let's make some beautiful Tyvek beads. Cosmic Shimmer gilding polish adds a lustrous metallic shine to all kinds of surfaces like paper, chipboard, wood, and cardstock. You can use it on practically anything. I love how crunchy these beads look after they've been melted. I just really enjoy the texture. If you want, you can add some more gilding polish to the beads to add a little bit more color after you've melted them. Instead of metallic thread like I'm using here, you could use a thin wire and some seed beads. I think that would look really great. These beads are super light, so you can pile on the strands or use several for earrings and they won't weigh down your earlobes. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Head over to joggles.com and I will see you next week. Bye.